how about this? Today will be fantastic. Get that refreshing breeze from the water. The coast is going to be a good place to be to cool off, that's for sure. Maybe not dipping in the water yet. Water temperatures in the 50s, but I mean, yeah, weather does improve from here. In fact, we're starting to see some improvements in these conditions. Yes, there's a bit of fog out there, murky sky, but it doesn't last. We will watch for increasing sunshine and temperatures to take off. Upper 50s now to light breeze, and yeah, this will get some improvement too. The pollen report, trees are pretty to look at until all that pollen's getting in your nose and you're like, that's not fun. Yeah, the rain will help to clear out the air. So futurecast today, not much rain, instead a lot of warmth, 70s, 80s. Before lunchtime, exception along the coast where it's cooler with the breeze, maybe 1 or 2 downpours. I mean, there is very few in terms of rain chances today, very limited in coverage. Maybe tonight, same deal. The front's nearby, but the atmosphere is still getting going. And tomorrow morning, the trend is still for a quiet start to the day. Yes, it's very warm, and we should launch back into the upper 70s. But tomorrow afternoon, that's when the weather gets a little dicey. And, you know, if you've got any outdoor plans, that's when you're thinking about maybe an indoor backup just in case. I actually see the steadiest rain tomorrow night, tomorrow evening. So definitely have the umbrellas for that, especially north and west. We'll try to carve out some dry windows on Sunday morning before we're back into wet weather on Sunday afternoon. It's just this pattern, okay? This pattern is going to be a little tough to shake. You get this low pressure system that camps out over us. So this will have direct access to the Atlantic for moisture. That means rounds of rain. We could be talking about several inches of rain. How much? Well, looks like over the weekend, maybe about an inch north and west, less the further east you go. But then could, you know, through the end of next week, we're to be talking about several inches of rain, which will help the drought, but could cause some flooding. These numbers are a little bit on the higher end, but something that we'll be watching all weekend long. So your first alert 7-day forecast, today it's like 10 to 15 degrees warmer than yesterday. It's summery, it's humid. That could fuel a storm. I think the better storm chance comes tomorrow afternoon. It could rain anytime, but not all the time. Sunday, it's less stormy, but more showery. And I know it's not the ideal thing if you're thinking about any outdoor gatherings, but again, it's not going to rain all the time, and we can still enjoy those dry times.
Yeah, and it's just kind of sticking around.
Yeah, next week. Actually, next week could be the wetter period. I mean, thinking Monday, Tuesday into Wednesday, it could be even wetter than this weekend.
Yeah, we're sticking around along with that storm. Mary's not, though. She's getting out of here. Just
great weekend to just jet set to Europe.
The forecast in Rome is wonderful right now.
What an opportunity. Yeah, so I'll be with you all week from Rome.
Looking forward.